Okay, we're about to walk into a gigantic ball pit with over 2 million balls. And there's gonna be some sort of show. We don't really know exactly what it is, but oh my God. Oh my God, look at this, babe. Yeah. Oh, dude.
All the way down, guys, and do not stop, please. All the way down.
Oh my God. Somebody's already fallen in. I guess we going here?
Don't feel limited, you guys. So that you get in the room, feel free to try to fall in, not jump in.
Let's do it.
Fall in, please. You can fall backwards into the pit, but not jump.
Are you ready? Are we trust falling together? We trust fall?
Sure, go.
Whoa, dude! Oh my God! Hey! Candy, that's cool. What do you think? That was hard to get back up. I said, oh my God.
Yeah, let me stay close to the side, actually. This is gonna be hard. I panicked.
Whenever you fell in, I said, oh God, it's like quicksand.
Panicked.
Whoa! So what happens? Oh, that's pretty cool, dude. He's playing around in a bunch of balls. Candy, do a trust fall. Do one more. Why? Now, how am I gonna get out of this thing?
Space here.
Here, film on my phone. Here, film on my phone and then I'll send them to you. Here.
I got it.
How do you get out? Yeah, that's hilarious. I feel like a little kid.
That scared me, man.
That feels like a little kid jumping in there.
I know.
Ugh, I gotta do it one more time. I gotta go once more. How about forward? This is awesome, for sure. Take a picture real quick. Okay. Whew. That was great.
That was so I had ball stuff all in my jacket and everything.
What's new? Can you get up? Oh. Oh, another performance? Whoa. Whoa. Man, I'm doing it again. Why not? Woo!